What's up everyone? In this video, I will talk about how I memorize the derivatives of trigonometric functions without really memorizing it. Now, the method that I use does not only apply to differentiation, but it also applies to integration of trigonometric function as well, because integration is always the reverse of differentiation. The first thing to do this is to draw a hexagon. So a hexagon consists of 6 sides. And the next thing to do is to write out the trigonometric function, which is this. Now, how to actually write it with the correct position? You should memorize the first 3 basic functions first. So for the upper part is sine and cos, and here is tangent. You only need to memorize these 3, the position of these 3 functions. After that, you know that the opposite of cos will be secant, which is 1 over cos, and the opposite of sine is cosecant, which is 1 over sine, and the opposite of tangent is cotangent, which is 1 over tangent. Now we are done with the drawing part. Next, what we are going to do is to write out these derivatives. The advantages of using this hexagon is that you will not get confused of the sign of the derivatives. What I mean is that for the left part of the hexagon, if you differentiate it, you will always get a positive result. While for the right side of the hexagon, when you differentiate it, you will always get a negative result. One tip to write out all the derivatives in a very short time is to don't care the sign first. So d dx, which is derivatives of sine x, equals to cos x, which is this, and d dx of tangent x, you will get secant square x. d dx of secant x equals to secant x tangent x. Now, because we differentiate the left side of the hexagon, so we assign it with a positive sign. For the right side, the pattern is the same. So d dx of cos x will be sine x, and d dx of cot x will be cosecant square x, and for the last one, d dx of cosecant x equals to cosecant x cot x cotangent x. Now, because we are differentiating the right side of the hexagon, so we assign it with a negative sign. And that's it. This is my way of memorizing all the derivatives of trigonometric functions. If you want to do it quick during your exam time, you should be familiar with this diagram and have this diagram in your mind automatically. So during the exam, you no need to draw this diagram out. You can directly write this function. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and this is the summary that I do. If you want, you can copy it and focus. Okay. So that's it. Thank you very much.